Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 27th of August 2015. Looking back on yesterday's activity, there were three signals in the pre-market session around mid-morning. The first at 10:35, and then we had a couple of signals for the up move here at 11:25 in the pre-market session. Still a lot of volatility around yesterday, which you can see as we head into the afternoon session, which is here. This is the 14:35 bar, and then you can see how the market moved lower after Dudley was speaking, and then ground lower all the way down to the 15,800 level. The market found support and then started to move higher, and then in the evening session this just accelerated, with the market putting on 600 points for yesterday. The market's been fairly quiet on the overnight, really in 100-point trading range now. Just had this short here, which the market isn't going down at the moment. It's finding support and moving back up. So we're getting into this sort of a quieter time now. If we have a look at the daily chart, you can see why you've got the market coming back yesterday. And this is the chart to actually spend a bit of time on, because if we have a look at here, we've got the market struggling with the high of Tuesday's price bar, and then of course we've got the high of Monday's bar as well, which is going to be a challenge for the market at the moment, given that the backdrop is a 2,000 point drop from the recent highs in May to this point. So again, a bit of a struggle around this area for the market. You can see it's struggling there on the overnight, but there is support in China, which we'll have a look at in just a moment. Let's have a quick look at today's news. We've got 3 o'clock pending home sales. They're forecast to be higher, 1.3%, minus 1.8 before. Again, if that's used, comes out positive, it will be used for moving the market back to the upside. The market's got to move to the upside because the volatility is very high. It needs to breathe before we can see the next down leg in this market, which we're certainly going to get, and that's a certain fact. Also, I did watch Dudley speak yesterday. Normally I wouldn't. He was on the live Bloomberg feed, and what a waste of time that was. Skirted all around the issue and more or less said that there would be no rate hike. Well, we know that anyway because of the backdrop of the market. Any increase in interest rates is going to cause an epic problem for the bond market, as I said in Saturday's recording. So Chinese market up this morning. It's below the 3,000 level, but it's up 1.45, 1.9 at the moment. Very quiet, in fact, for the Shanghai market this morning. Volatility down to 24.84, big drop down from the 30s yesterday, and that's because obviously we saw a big move in the underlying Dow, and no doubt the PPT were around again, moving the market higher and holding the markets, and no follow through on the overnight prices. So interesting to see if they can find some buyers at these levels. The market's certainly down, but whatever, I wouldn't want to be long this market, buying stocks for any length of time. Right, that's it. See you in tomorrow's edition, and as ever, thank you for your support, also for watching.